Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to work with the slide sorter view, and we can access the slide sorter view either from this bottom ribbon or from this panel inside of the view menu. So we're going to click the slide sorter view, and you'll notice now that we have our entire presentation laid out visually. Now one of the things that we can do from this view is we can format our background, and we can do so for each section. So for example, if we right click this slide, we can click Format Background, and we can change that format for one section. We can do the same thing for the other sections. If we wanted to make a different section, we can highlight the slides in that section. We can right click it. We can format the background. We can then decide we want a gradient fill, and only the slides in that section will be formatted. We can then do the same thing in a different section. We can then use a gradient fill or a pattern fill. And basically what we can do from the slide sorter view is to create the visual effect that we want inside of our presentation. As you can see now, it makes it easy for us to make changes to an entire section and format the background of only that section. What this does is gives us more flexibility to place emphasis on the things that we want to have our viewers take note of. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.